Hello and welcome back to my channel IQD to USD, the Iraqi Dinar. A new era of economic and monetary transformation. The Iraqi Dinar, IQD, is at the center of one of the most significant economic transformations in the Middle East. For years, Iraq's currency has faced obstacles that limited its growth and stability. However, a series of ambitious reforms led by the Iraqi government and the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, are now setting the stage for a brighter future. These reforms aim to modernize Iraq's financial system, enhance the value of the dinar, and position Iraq as a competitive player in the global economic arena. Reforming the currency auction system. One of the most pressing challenges Iraq faced was its reliance on currency auctions. These auctions drained the country's purchasing power, destabilized the economy, and hindered growth. Recognizing this, the CBI embarked on an overhaul of the system to integrate foreign currencies effectively and stabilize the dinar domestically. This reform was a pivotal step in Iraq's journey to modernize its economy. Transitioning from cash-based transactions to a digitally inclusive system was critical to achieving long-term stability. To support these changes, prominent international institutions and global banks, such as Chase Bank, have become involved. Once skeptical of the dinar's potential, Chase Bank now plays a vital role in the reform process, highlighting the growing global confidence in Iraq's economic prospects. Aiming for integration with Western financial markets, a transformative opportunity lies in Iraq's potential alignment with Western financial markets. Historically, Iraq's economic policies have been heavily influenced by regional powers like Iran. By integrating with Western markets, Iraq can diversify its economy, attract foreign investments, and reduce its reliance on regional influences. This alignment would also provide Iraq with access to global investment opportunities, allowing the nation to leverage its vast resources for economic development. With oil reforms finalized and international support growing, Iraq appears poised to implement broader monetary changes, including a potential revaluation of the dinar and the introduction of lower denomination notes. Security and stability. Foundations for reform. Economic reforms cannot thrive without security and stability. Dr. Sinan al-Shabibi, the former governor of the CBI, long emphasized the importance of these factors for meaningful monetary reform. Today, Iraq is experiencing a level of security and stability unseen in recent decades, creating a conducive environment for economic transformation. This stability was highlighted during a major international gathering in Basra, where over 140 ambassadors and representatives from UNESCO, UNICEF, the World Bank, and other global organizations convened. This event was more than ceremonial. It showcased Iraq's readiness to rejoin the global economic stage. For investors, it was a clear signal that Iraq is open for business and committed to growth. Transition to a digital economy. One of Iraq's most ambitious initiatives is its transition to a digital economy. By moving away from cash-based transactions, the nation aims to increase transparency, reduce corruption, and improve financial inclusion for its citizens. A cornerstone of this transition is the Delete the Zeros project. This initiative involves removing 3 zeros from the currency to simplify transactions and strengthen the dinar's value. According to reports, the CBI plans to phase out cash transactions and fully implement digital payments by the end of 2024. This digital transformation is not just about convenience. It represents a strategic effort to modernize Iraq's financial system and prepare it for integration into global markets. By embracing electronic payments, Iraq can position itself as a forward-thinking economy ready to attract international investors. Speculations. Around the dinar's revaluation, optimism surrounding the dinar's future has been further fueled by reports of contract renegotiations between the Iraqi government and contractors. Some contractors are reportedly negotiating rates in the low $3 range for their contracts, sparking speculation about a potential revaluation of the currency. While rumors of the dinar's revaluation have circulated for years, the consistency of recent reports adds credibility to the notion that significant changes are on the horizon. Contractors working closely with the government often have insights into broader economic strategies, making their actions a potential indicator of upcoming reforms. The role of the central bank and global partners. The Central Bank of Iraq has been instrumental in driving these reforms. Its efforts to stabilize the currency and modernize the financial system have been supported by partnerships with international institutions and banks like Chase Bank. Chase Bank's involvement, despite its earlier doubts about the dinar, reflects the growing confidence in Iraq's potential to become a significant player in the global financial system. These partnerships highlight the global importance of Iraq's economic transformation. Looking ahead. A promising future. As Iraq prepares to reintroduce the dinar to global forex markets, the coming months are expected to be critical. The timeline for adopting digital payments and completing the Delete the Zeros project suggests that monumental changes are imminent. If successful, these reforms could significantly enhance the dinar's value, strengthen Iraq's position in global markets, and attract substantial international investment. For investors and observers, Iraq's transformation is more than just a regional story. It is a global one with far-reaching implications. The country's journey toward monetary reform and economic revitalization represents a rare opportunity to witness a nation redefining its financial identity. Conclusion. Iraq's efforts to modernize its economy and strengthen the dinar mark the beginning of a new chapter in the nation's history. With security, stability, and international support in place, Iraq is poised to emerge as a dynamic and competitive economy. As the country takes bold steps toward a prosperous future, the Iraqi dinar stands as a symbol of resilience and potential. Stay tuned as Iraq continues to make strides toward economic growth and global integration, a transformation that could reshape the financial landscape of the Middle East and beyond.